Today we're showing you a Kubota L4060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive cab tractor, has under 100 hours on it. It's practically a new tractor. These tractors are rated at 40 horsepower. Again, full cab with heat and air. It does have the loader prep. It does have the valve here for the loader, so if you do want to add a loader, that is certainly a possibility. Tires are basically new. Doors on both sides of the cab, mirrors on both sides of the cab. Looks like the one light is missing up top there, the warning light. Telescopic arms and the 3-point top link, everything's there. Hydrostat transmission, paint's nice and bright on it. It's a very, very nice tractor. It looks practically new. Inside the cab looks just like one would expect. It does have radio up top here, climate controls as well. And again, it does have the loader control over there if you do want to add a loader. It has a 3-range hydrostatic transmission. Also has the H-DS power high-low. Treadle pedal over there, that's the Deluxe treadle pedal with the Grand L series. It's the L4060HSTC, which is hydrostat with a cab. Show you the tag here. 2018 year model, has 85 hours. It's practically a brand new tractor. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.